Hey guys, Notion has become the entrepreneurial operating system, but most people still underuse it. The biggest advantage is creating systems that scale with you, not pages that get messy over time. Start by building 3 linked databases: projects, tasks, and resources. Use rollups to track progress automatically and formulas for effort scoring, deadlines, and task prioritization. Then create custom views. A CEO view with high level priorities, KPIs, and bottlenecks. A weekly execution view with deadlines, sprints, and time blocking. A team view for assigned tasks, blockers, and dependencies. Use Notion AI to auto summarize meetings, generate task lists, convert notes into action plans, and predict overdue risks. For automation, integrate with Make or Zapier to pipe in leads, client tasks, invoices, and campaign data, letting Notion run as your command center. These hacks reduce overwhelm, eliminate scattered tools, and give entrepreneurs a streamlined execution first workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.